Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix the Galaxy A25 and of course I'll show you to fix this issue where the screen is actually gray. Alright, so now to fix it or turn off this feature that's causing the gray screen. As you can see, the entirety of the screen is completely gray. You're going to go to your settings. Once you're in settings, from the top, go down. So you'll be at the top. Go down to accessibility. Next, go to vision enhancement. From here, scroll down, and what you want to look for here is the color correction. Notice grayscale is on. Go here, and here you're going to turn off the color correction, and the color will return. Notice it was on grayscale, so of course the grayscale option is what was doing it. So once color correction was on, it was transformed to grayscale. There are other options as well. Like screen can look blue, yellow or red, green or green, red or so on. But once you turn off color correction and go back, here you go, the screen restored. It have its color once more, and basically that's it. So of course the color has returned to the screen and the problem is now fixed. Hope this was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.